metabolism. So hemoglobinopathies, if you see, hemoglobinopathies are defined as a family of genetic disorders. Hemoglobinopathies are defined as a family of genetic disorders caused by production of a structurally abnormal hemoglobin molecules. Hemoglobinopathies are defined as a family of genetic disorders caused by production of a structurally abnormal hemoglobin molecules, caused by production of a structurally abnormal hemoglobin molecules, or synthesis of insufficient quantities of normal hemoglobin. Synthesis of insufficient quantities of normal hemoglobin is also referred as hemoglobinopathy. So see the definition again. Hemoglobinopathy is a family of genetic disorders caused by production of a structurally abnormal hemoglobin molecules, caused by production of a structurally abnormal hemoglobin molecules, or synthesis of insufficient quantities of normal hemoglobin. So this is a result of genetic mutation. Hemoglobinopathy is a result of genetic mutation which causes alteration in structure and function of hemoglobin. So alteration of structure and functions of hemoglobin is seen in case of genetic mutation resulting in hemoglobinopathy. Now alteration in structure and function of hemoglobin can be caused by one of the four possible ways. Four possible ways are there for causing alteration in structure and function of hemoglobin. Altered exterior, which affects solubility. Altered exterior means it affects the solubility. I told you hemoglobin is highly soluble. So when the change in the hemoglobin structure takes place, it is not soluble. Its solubility property is affected. So as a result, the exterior part of hemoglobin gets disturbed. For example, HbS type of hemoglobin. HbS means sickle cell hemoglobin. Then altered active site. So effect of oxygen binding is affected. Affect oxygen binding by altering the active site. So active site is the place where oxygen binds with the hemoglobin. I told you when I am talking about enzymes in first year chemistry, or when you are studying about enzymes chapter, you must have studied what is active site, how enzyme substrate complex is formed, all we have discussed in enzyme chemistry. So here hemoglobin, you know that it is a transporter of oxygen. Hemoglobin, to transport oxygen, it should bind with the oxygen. So unless oxygen binds with the hemoglobin, it cannot be transported. So if the altered active site of hemoglobin to bind with oxygen is altered, oxygen cannot bind with the hemoglobin, so it affects the oxygen binding. This happens in case of HbM variety. This is an altered Hb hemoglobin variety called HbM. Then there is another possibility called altered tertiary structure. The polypeptide chain is prevented from folding into normal conformation. So because of alteration in the tertiary structure, what happens? The polypeptide chain is prevented from folding into normal conformation. Similarly, altered quaternary structure. So what happens? You know, hemoglobin is an example of quaternary structure. And the quaternary structure, if it is altered, then what will happen? The loss of allosteric properties. So allosteric property will not function and have abnormal oxygen affinity. Oxygen cannot bind with the hemoglobin properly. So this is affecting the alpha chain and beta chain. So alpha 1 and beta 2 regions of the hemoglobin region are most commonly affected. So quaternary structure is altered, tertiary structure is altered. Similarly, the exterior of the hemoglobin is altered, affecting solubility. The active site of the hemoglobin is affected, so binding with the oxygen is also affected, results in formation of abnormal hemoglobins. So these abnormal hemoglobins formation is called as